Fencestay is gaining a reputation in the market for smart, easy to use and strong end assembly kits, either for standard steel posts for temporary fencing options or for up to 80mm nominal bore steel pipe end assemblies that are designed to last long after you. There's always been one question in people's minds though. They work fantastically on flat ground. What about slopes? Well, it turns out Fencestay's got you covered. Let's find out about their steep slope options. The smaller of the two options, the Fencestay Steep Slope Kit, has an elongated collar that will take either a standard size stock post or the Fencestay round post kit for more permanent applications. Let's see how this one mounts into the ground and then look at the big banger for really permanent options. Assembling the Fencestay end assembly kit is no different to a normal kit, but the order of installation is slightly different because of the slope that you're dealing with, and you want to get this matching the slope. Start out by driving your uphill post. Then assemble your kit as normal, putting the two bolts in place and loosely tighten them. Once you've got your kit assembled, put the triangular end of the kit over the uphill post, and that will let you set the top rail to be horizontal to the ground. You want to make sure that it looks even with the slope. Loosely tie off the triangle end and then we can work on the post at the other end. Sight your end assembly into the cider posts running up the hill, and when you're happy with your position of your post, pop it in the hole, check for vertical, remove the post, swing the top rail out of the way and drive your post. Now we're going to use a third post, but this third post is a short offcut or a short post that you buy from the store. And what we're going to do is put it into the bottom yoke of the cross member. Now by having this adjustability, you can actually frame this kit to any angle of the hill. Now what we want to do is we want to match the top corner and the bottom corner of the yoke to the post so that when we hammer it in, it's a nice tight fit. And we're going to put the hole in the fin up against the two holes in the yoke so that we can put a piece of wire straight through and tighten it all up. And there you go. It couldn't be easier to set up a solid steel end assembly on a difficult terrain than this. One extra post and a little bit of ingenuity from Fencestay and you're in business. Now we've used the standard steel posts today for this temporary fence. If you wanted to make this permanent, they have round fish mouth posts for sale as well. They go in really deep and they make these things super solid for permanent applications. Don't forget you can also hang a gate off the end of this with the Fencestay gate hanging kit, so it's got full versatility. And there's an insulated post kit too, so you can use these with an electric fence without having to worry about shorts and insulation at your end assembly. And for more permanent applications, there's the FS3000 bracket kit that allows you to buy your own steel. It runs 80 nominal bore posts at either end, and with the bracket kit there's no need to use grinders and welders out in the paddock anymore, saving you from lugging them up steep hills and fire danger. So check out the FS3000 video at the end of this one to find out how to set one of these up. If you like finding out about new products like this and you like this sort of content, don't forget hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and you'll get plenty more every week. Now line up your end assembly with your sighting posts.